and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I refresh my hair. These are third day curls and I have not done anything to them besides put it in a ponytail today while I worked. Also, I can show you how I refresh them and make them look oh so nice. I'm going to show you what I use in my hair. Oh, a little itch there. Excuse me. I'm going to show you what I use in my hair and how I get it to refresh, because you know what? We're all sitting around these days and I'm not looking to wash my hair all the time. I'm at home. So let's get the most out of our curls and, you know, extend the longevity between washes. So that's what we're gonna do, is we're gonna extend the curls, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's really easy. Let's get started. Okay, to start, I'm gonna take some water and spritz it all in my hair. Oh, ow. Ow, that stings. I'm apparently very dramatic because water should not sting. Anyways, and then I'm gonna go in with dry shampoo. I love this living proof dry shampoo. I think it works really well. It's my favorite. So while my hair is damp, I'm gonna go in and spritz it in and just freshen up to give my roots a little lift, if you will. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Aveda Volumizing Tonic. Just spray a little bit on my roots just to give me a little extra volume, because sometimes I lose that. And then I'm gonna go in with Mousse. So much mousse. Actually, not that much for today. I love this Paul Mitchell mousse. I absolutely swear by it. It is the best and it smells like coconuts. And I mostly just concentrate on the top half of my hair, and that's where I get frizz the most. And I just really like to work it in and kind of just re-scrunch it, because I want to eliminate frizz and make sure I have a little body with the mousse and a little extra hold, again, because that's what I need when I'm refreshing my curls. And now we're going to diffuse. So to start with diffusing, I will give it a dry before I go in with the diffuser to disturb the curls, because if they're too wet and I do that, that equals frizz. Then I start to just kind of touch on the roots a little bit. Okay, so this is a trick that I like because my hair springs up so much. So I take my hair like this and I take the diffuser and I just kind of hold it on the ends, and you can see the difference. Look at the difference in length compared to that. I like it like that. I like to just pull it a little bit. So then I'm gonna flip my hair and I'm gonna go underneath and really concentrate kind of on the crown of the head. I don't really need to do the lower half of my hair. It's just really, again, to give me volume. This is where I really just kind of go in and really like rough up the curls around my scalp so the hair will plump up when I flip back over. As you can see, I got much more volume now from that little hair flip. This is where I really go through and pull any pieces that I feel are just way too short. I just kind of take them, stretch them, and put the diffuser just on the end, just to give them a little more length. Okay, then after I've diffused, I go and turn the blow dryer on low, and I'm gonna go right into my scalp and, again, just really kind of rough up the curls. It's okay to get a little rough with your hair in this case. And this just gives me just a tiny bit extra volume and fix any of those pieces I feel like are frizzy. Then I'm gonna go in with Moroccan Oil. I love Moroccan Oil. It gives my hair a little bit of shine. I kind of need this serum just to re-moisturize the hair a little bit, and it doesn't add any weight to my hair, which I love. And then I spray with Gucci Bloom Hair Mist because that smells amazing. And there you have it. So that is my curl refresh. I actually like my curls better the second and third day. I just feel like they soften out. For some reason, the frizz goes away and they get body. And I like my curls a little bit looser than they are when I first wash them. They're super, super tight, especially like you can see in the back here. So second and third day after I sleep on them, they kind of like loosen up a little bit and give me just a touch of length. So I like that as I'm trying to grow my hair super long, guys. Just stay with me, it's gonna happen. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video. And it really helps because I'm a budding YouTuber myself. So every time you like and subscribe, it helps and it really does mean the world to me. Also, don't forget to comment below, tell me what you thought of my curly refresh. Let me know if you have any really great tips for your curly refresh, other products that you want me to try out. If you have questions, comments, thoughts, concerns, just leave them down there. I love that. I love hearing from you and I love answering them. So anyways, we'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.